Page 203, this is number 3 at the bottom. As if the first two wasn't challenging enough, hold on to your socks. Here we go. This is 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 2 flats in the key signature. So it's either in the key of B flat major or G minor. We're studying minors, it's in G minor. We'll do the scales and arpeggios for both. Okay, 3/4 time signature, and let's just hear what the melody sounds like. Yeah. The F sharps come in handy because in G minor, the 7th step is an F, and if you used a harmonic minor, that's what you're going to do. Now, the half step leads into the tonic very nicely. Okay. Then the chords, let's just figure out what they are first. In G minor, a 1 chord is this. 4 chord is that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you have B flats and E flats in G minor. And then the 2 diminished is just here, up 1, and you're doing here. Well, these are the notes in G minor, because you have B flats and E flats. A minor third and a minor third is a diminished. It happens automatically. You just play a 2 chord, and it comes out diminished. And then a 1, so it's a 1, and then a 4, a 5, and a 1. I don't want to move around, so I'm going to use the inversions. So just figure out what inversion I can use that's close to where I'm at. So it's a 1. The 4 chord we've already done. Those are easy enough, hopefully, because you're just going up. The bottom, the top 2 goes up. And then for the 2 chord, you're here. Really, you can use the root position because you're right there already. You're already there. That's fine. So the 4 chord, you're here, and the 5 chord would come down. So the 1 and the 2 chord, we're using root position, then we're using our regular inversions for the others. So here, and then here, 4 chord, and then a 2 chord, 1 chord, and then here, 4 chord, 5 chord. Not too painful, I hope. Try different patterns. This block chord junk is this. Now these are 3/4 time. You can do that. This pattern. That I could do the chuck chuck, chuck chuck. Uh-oh. Whatever. Just play the roots of the chords. Let's see what that sounds like. Just use your imagination on what you do with the left hand. Just stick with the notes within the chords. That's all. Now they want you to transpose this to A minor because we have had so much fun already. So we're going from G minor up to A minor. We're going up now. Last time we went down. A minor is all the white keys, but we're going to use the harmonic minor. So on the G, we're going to use G sharps. So there, and the chords, the 1, the 4, the 2, now remember, is here. All white keys, that's fine. It's diminished automatically because that's a minor third and that's a minor third and that's a diminished triad. It happens automatically. 1, then a 4, 5, G sharp, then do that, and then come up here instead of a D, I'm playing an E, so all the notes are 1 note higher. And again, and that next to the last major. Yeah, I'm using G sharp instead of G. We raised that a half step. We're using a harmonic minor. Yeah. So that's A minor. It's just an experiment. You can take it to other keys also if you want to. You've got my permission. I don't care. I ain't going to, but you can. Let me know if you have any questions.